Feeling weaker as you age? Struggling to stand up, walk with balance, or carry daily items? Here's the good news. You don't need a gym, heavy weights, or even to get off your chair. With just a few easy chair exercises, you can fight muscle weakness, improve strength, and protect your independence right from home. Let me show you how. The problem: why muscle weakness happens with age. As we grow older, our muscles naturally shrink, a process called sarcopenia. After 60, this accelerates if we don't take action. The result: difficulty standing up or walking, increased risk of falls and fractures, fatigue and poor posture, loss of independence in daily tasks. But here's the truth. You can rebuild muscle strength at any age, and you don't even need to leave your chair. Mistakes that make weakness worse. Many seniors unknowingly make choices that worsen muscle loss. Sitting for long hours without movement, skipping strength-building activities, relying on processed low-protein foods, avoiding exercise due to fear of falling, believing it's too late to rebuild strength. Golden tip: muscle weakness isn't a permanent condition, it's the result of habits that can be changed. The solution: easy chair exercises. The answer is simple. Chair exercises. They are safe, low impact, and effective for fighting weakness. By using a sturdy chair, you can strengthen muscles without the risk of falling. Here are the best chair exercises to include daily. Top 6 easy chair exercises to fight weakness. 1. Seated marching. Sit tall in a chair. Lift one knee up, then lower. Alternate legs. Strengthens hip flexors and improves circulation. 2. Seated leg extensions. Sit upright. Extend one leg forward until straight, then lower. Builds thigh and knee strength for walking and standing. 3. Chair arm raises. Sit tall. Raise both arms overhead, then lower. Strengthens shoulders, improves posture, and supports daily activities. 4. Seated side bends. Sit upright. Place hands behind head. Slowly bend to the right, then return to center. Repeat on left. Engages core muscles and improves flexibility. 5. Seated calf raises. Sit with feet flat. Lift heels up while keeping toes on the floor. Strengthens calves, improves balance, and walking stability. 6. Seated bicep curls. Hold water bottles or light weights. Curl arms up, then slowly lower. Builds arm strength for carrying groceries or lifting objects. Do 10 to 12 reps of each exercise, 2 to 3 sets, 3 to 4 times per week. Even 15 minutes a day can transform your strength. Nutrition to support chair exercises. Exercise alone isn't enough. Muscles need the right fuel. After 60, focus on protein: eggs, fish, chicken, beans, Greek yogurt, omega-3s, salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli for magnesium. Hydration: drink water before and after exercise. Golden tip: pair your chair workouts with a protein snack to boost muscle recovery. Lifestyle habits to fight weakness. To maximize results, combine chair exercises with these daily habits. Walk for 10 to 20 minutes a day. Sleep 7 to 8 hours to allow muscle repair. Manage stress with deep breathing or meditation. Avoid sitting for more than an hour. Stand, stretch, or move. Stay socially active. Dancing, gardening, or group exercise keep you motivated. Remember, it's not age that weakens muscles. It's inactivity. Tips for safe chair exercising: use a sturdy chair without wheels. Keep feet flat and back straight. Move slowly. Focus on control, not speed. Breathe steadily. Exhale during effort. Start small and increase gradually. Listen to your body. Stop if you feel pain. Outro. Final motivation: muscle weakness after 60 is not your fate. It's a challenge you can overcome with easy chair exercises, healthy foods, and consistent habits. You can rebuild strength, protect your balance, and live with confidence. Golden tip: every rep is an investment in your independence. So grab a chair, start with seated marches and leg extensions, and build from there. Even a few minutes a day can change your future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more golden health tips. Stay strong, stay active, and keep fighting weakness one chair, exercise at a time.